Welcome to our quick guide on walking slow in Roblox. Sometimes, you need to take it easy and enjoy the scenery. Let's show you how. First, let's get into your settings. Press the escape key to open the menu. It's your control center for customization. Look for the control options. Here, you can adjust your movement settings, including speed. Next, change your walking speed to a lower value. Perfect for taking in everything Roblox has to offer. Don't forget your controls. Use the WASD keys for movement, now at a leisurely pace. Enjoy the adventure. And that's it. Now you're ready to walk slow in Roblox. Explore, chat, and enjoy every moment. Keep practicing this technique. Walking slow can change your Roblox experience and help you discover hidden gems. Remember, gaming is about enjoying every detail. So take your time and savor each adventure. Share your experiences with friends. Show them how to slow down and enjoy together. Happy gaming! Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tips and tricks to enhance your Roblox adventures. Until next time, keep walking slow and exploring. See you in the game. Remember, every player has their unique journey. Enjoy yours.